What if I told you that you could turn words into wealth and make at least $1,000 a month from your bed while living with a chronic or autoimmune disease? As a person living with autoimmune disease myself, I know our health and energy can be unpredictable. If you are tired just from watching endless YouTube videos that do not show you how to get things done, then this channel is for you. Here I show you how to save those spoons and get that money. I will test side hustles to see if they are worth our precious time. In this video, we will be working smarter, not harder, using ChatGPT, Canva, and Amazon KDP. I'm going to show you the easiest way to create and sell an ebook, step by step. And at the end, we'll break down exactly how much energy, brain power, emotional demand, and financial investment this method takes, so you know if it's right for you.
How much can you earn selling an ebook? The price of your ebook matters. Most self-published ebooks on Amazon KDP are priced between $2.99 to $9.99 to qualify for Amazon's 70% royalty rate. A $2.99 ebook earns about $2 per sale, while a $9.99 ebook earns about $7 per sale. If you sell just 500 copies per month at $9.99, you make 500 times 7 equals $3,500 a month. If you sell 100 copies per month at $2.99, you can make $200 a month. Realistic sales estimates for beginners first 3 months. Say you make 10 to 50 sales a month. With consistent marketing, 100 to 500 plus sales a month. Viral top-selling books, 1,000 plus sales a month. So let's go to ChatGPT, and we are going to type in the prompt. Give me 10 ebooks that are trending and have high demand on Amazon KDP, but with low competition. So, being that I was not really feeling the topics that were generated, I'm going to copy my prompt again and refine it to be more specific to something that I know about and something that I would like to research and write about. So, give me 10 ebooks that are trending and have high demand on Amazon KDP, but with a low competition in the area of chronic illness. Now we're talking. These topics look specific to my audience. And also, there are things that I know about and I am interested in. And so we have 10. Right here, I will pick the topic, financial planning for chronic illness. And once again, when developing content in these niches, it's essential to conduct thorough market research to assess demand and competition, utilizing tools like Amazon's bestseller rankings and keyword analysis can provide insights into current market trends. Additionally, focusing on delivering high-quality value content tailored to the specific needs of your target audience will enhance the potential for success in this area. So now I am going to copy and paste the title. And it says, Financial Planning for Chronic Illness, Guides that Provide Strategies for Managing Medical Expenses, Understanding Insurance Options, and Planning for Long-Term Financial Stability. Great. So now I'm going to put it in the prompt box. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please give me a detailed market research on this topic. For my book, use Amazon bestseller ranking and keyword analysis and assess demand and competition. When it relates to financial planning for chronic illness, guides that provide strategies for managing medical expenses, understanding insurance options, and planning for long-term stability. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. So here we see it is generating existing literature that is already out there. That's doing pretty well, and it is now going to explain the market demand, which is very important because you want to write about something that people want. Now, we are going to get our book content without writing everything from scratch. Now, the biggest reason people never finish writing a book, they overthink it. But we're not going to do that today. we are going to use ChatGPT to generate our book outline and content. So now we are going to create a chapter outline for this book using the market research. Write me a 50-page ebook titled. You're going to put the title of your book, provide some real-life examples, budgeting tips, and step-by-step strategies for managing medical expenses. Create a chapter outline for this book using the information and market research. From here, ChatGPT will create a full book structure for you in minutes. From there, you can expand on each chapter by asking for more details. Add personal stories or examples to make it unique. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite any section in a better way. And remember, you can check ChatGPT for plagiarism using Grammarly Plagiarism Check. It's free, but the framework should allow you to get your creative juices flowing. And I'm sure you can add a lot of personal stories or personal information to the outline. But if not, ChatGPT is there to help. So, you know what this means? This means you don't have to stare at the blank screen or waste spoons on writing from scratch. Just edit, tweak, and personalize. And now from here, we are going to head over to Canva. We are getting ready to design our book cover and interior for free. When we head over to canva.com, we are going to go to the homepage and we are going to type in ebook covers. Okay, I think I am going to pick this book cover with the money tree because just looking at it, you know what it's going to be about, just right in your face. And I do have the pro version of Canva. If you see that little crown, but you can look for other covers that do not have the crown. So now to save some time, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and put in the prompt. I am using Canva. Please give me an ebook cover design idea. Include font style and title placements. Give a description of the visuals for the book that will make it eye-catching. So, we are going to use this color code and we're going to put it into Canva and see what we get. Okay, I like this blue. It's very eye-catching. So, now I'm going to check out the fonts. So I was thinking about going with bold font for the main title, and then I'm going to copy and paste the title of the book into Canva, and we can explore with different fonts until it looks just right. Now I'm working on the subtitle and the placement of it. I'm going to also play around with different fonts and colors, and I'm going to put my author's name right there at the very bottom. Now we need to play with this element and change it up a bit because we don't want to be in any trouble with Canva. And if you highlight that element, you will see that you will find similar elements that you can add to the book cover. So now I am going to edit the element and I'm going to change the color of the tree. And we hit Add Page. And this is how we're going to get different pages of the ebook. These pages are also very customizable. So we go over to Design, and we are going to search for an interior layout of the book. So we'll do a little search and put in page layout for books. Okay, so I found something that I like. I like this layout, and you can change the picture. You can change the way the writing is set up, the font style, just about anything. So I am going to try and add, so I'm going to be adding the table of contents. Now we're going to go back to ChatGPT and copy our table of contents. And then we bring it over to Canva. So when you're done with your ebook, then you want to go over to Share. And you're going to hit Download, and we are going to save this as a PDF print. So now we are going to head over to get our book published on Amazon KDP. So we're going to go to kdp.amazon.com. And we are going to create an account. Then you're going to click Create a new ebook and upload your files. ISBN. Here's what you need to know. Ebooks don't need an ISBN. Amazon gives them to you for free. For paperbacks and hardcovers, they require an ISBN. And Amazon also provides them for free. Let's head back over to ChatGPT and put in our prompt. Now time to write our book description. So the prompt is, write me an intriguing and captivating book description that is SEO optimized and use important keywords to ensure the book is searchable. Then I'm going to put in the title of my book, and then I want ChatGPT to reference popular books that are in the same niche because it helps the SEO and it can possibly pop up as an alternative when people search for the more popular books. Then yours might pop up as an option. The next thing that we are going to look for is pricing. And we are going to use a prompt. What should I charge for this book that has 50 pages, a budget, worksheet, or journal? And now we're going to try and find out what we should price our book at so that we can make $1,000 a month. So we are going to use the prompt, what should I charge for this book that has 50 pages, budget journal, and worksheets if I want to make $1,000 a month. Then ChatGPT is going to give you a very detailed breakdown on how many books you need to sell, at what price, yada, yada, yada. And it's going to give you a recommended price range, which is very helpful. Now we are going to go back to Amazon KDP and put in our prices. But here comes another big section, which is marketing your book. How can we market our book so that we can reach 1,000 units? For ChatGPT, it says to sell 150 to 250 copies per month and hit $1,000 a month, you'll need Amazon SEO optimization, which we will use in our description and our title, email marketing, freebie lead marketing, email marketing. So we will find a way to collect emails and promote our book, social media, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook groups. Energy level. You will use up at least 6 spoons out of 10. Writing an ebook can be low energy if you pace yourself, use voice to text, or repurpose content you already have, like blog posts or journal entries. But it can also be draining if you struggle with brain fog, fatigue, flares, or typing for long periods. The good news? You can use ChatGPT to get the framework started. You don't need to write a 300-page book. Short, impactful ebooks sell well. Time investment. How long does it take? That depends. A short 30-page ebook could take 1 to 2 weeks if you work in small bursts. A more detailed guide may take a month or more, depending on your energy. Then you have formatting, editing, and designing the cover. If you pace yourself, it's doable, but it's not an instant process. I'd give it a 3 out of 5 for time commitment. Manageable, but not overnight success. Difficulty level moderate. It is beginner-friendly, but does require some work. If you know your topic well, the writing part isn't too difficult. But the hard part? Organizing your ideas, editing, and figuring out where to sell it, which is why we use KDP to start. Profitability 4 out of 5 stars. Now, let's talk money. Ebooks can be extremely profitable because once you've created them, they can sell over and over without extra work. If you price your ebook at $10 and sell just 50 copies a month, that's $500 in passive income. Financial investment is low. Here's the best part. It's one of the cheapest ways to start making money online. You can write and design your ebook for free. Uploading it on Amazon, KDP is free. Is it worth it? Yes.
And just like that, you have a new passive income stream. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more ways to make money online, and comment below which step you need help with. I also made a free ChatGPT ebook prompt sheet to make this even easier. Grab it in the description below.